Oh my god! Hey guys, I'm Bushback18. I stream live on Twitch every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And lately I've been playing a ton of Planet Coaster. It's a game that I have a deep passion for. I've been playing Planet Coaster since early access, and over the years I've learned quite a lot about it. And it's not the easiest game to learn. When I'm streaming on Twitch, common question that I get from my viewers is, how do you make money in this game and how do you get started properly? And today I'm going to take you through that process, and particularly with challenge mode, which is my favorite mode to play. I'm going to show you the best way that I've found to get started successfully and to make money. So here, what we're doing to start is we're going to build a basic, simple roller coaster that is cheap to make. What we want here is an exciting drop and maybe a couple of airtime hills, and then we're going to go right back to the station. So you see here, we have a little curve drop into an airtime hill, into another airtime hill. Maybe a little turn here. Do our thing. This coaster is super cheap to make, and boom. You don't want to think too much about this because all these things we're building in this beginning phase here will be deleted later. We're just going to smooth out the track a little bit. Make sure that it's, you know, exciting. The fear rating's pretty low. Make a path. Boom. Test it. This is actually a kiddie coaster. That's pretty funny. And then we're good to go. Should be open. Now that we've opened that, we're going to build some basic shops. What I would recommend is one food stall, one drink stall, could be any of them, and a bathroom. You're also going to want to build a staff building to keep your staff happy in the early going. That's something I skipped out on right here, but I go back to it later. I end up building one. You're also going to want to build a couple of rides like these bumper cars, maybe another flat ride. Just things, this is just fodder. What you're doing here is just building things that can generate money long term for you, so you can speed up the time and then start on what you really want to build. So my idea for this park is more of a wooded theme. I wanted to build a park deep in the woods that's got kind of a throwback feel, a lot of wooden roller coasters, stuff like that. So what I'm building now has nothing to do with that. We're literally just building things to make money. As you can see here, this coaster I'm building, to make even more money, I'm literally going piece by piece of the track because each piece of track requires more money. I'm literally at $0. And there we got it. We finally got it in. Good to go. And this is where the park really takes off financially. We got enough of these rides in here to create that fodder to really make money on a monthly basis and to start thinking about the entrance of our park. Now keep in mind, in Planet Coaster, the more scenery that you build, the more successful your park's going to be. That really is important after this first phase. After you build a couple rides that are making you that money, you can start to build something like an elaborate entrance. And what that entrance will do is give you a higher scenery rating, attract more people to your park, and so on and so forth. So everything's in place here. We're accruing money. All things are good in the Planet Coaster world. And now we're ready to build the thing that we actually set out to build to begin with. Now just remember, when you're placing those fodder rides in the very beginning, to put them in a position where you're okay with deleting them later. Don't put them in the actual epicenter of the park that you want to build. Set them off to the side a little bit. Because right here I wanted a curved path through the woods to the entrance of my park. And here we're starting on the entrance. And I wanted an old wooden like log cabin kind of look. Maybe a lot of bushes, a lot of flowers, stuff like that. Adding a ton of logs. Every single one of these scenery pieces that we're adding individually adds to the scenery rating. So the more dense and detailed your scenery is, the better off you're going to be, the more money you're going to make, the more people you're going to have in your park. All good things. I love the attention to detail that you can put into this game if you really want to. How the game rewards you for it. I think that's really amazing. Lights are good, windows are good, logs are good, you name it. So here we're just adding that little extra bit of detail to our log cabin entrance. The vines, they're cool. I like them. Helps add to the feel a little bit. So all you Roller Coaster Tycoon fans out there, I figured because this park was set in the woods, we might name it something like Forest Frontiers, the first scenario from Roller Coaster Tycoon 1. A little bit of an Easter egg there. I thought it was cool. Kind of corny. Kind of sucks. Depends on who you ask, but I thought it was cool. And I liked it. And that's just what we're going to do because I just wanted to do it. So deal with it! Guys, if you have any questions about this game, I've been playing a lot lately on Twitch. I've been building this park up. This park is actually insanely detailed now. Feel free to stop by, say hello, and ask any questions you have about Planet Coaster. I love roller coasters. I love this game. Hope to see you there.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on